Welcome to Yee Fit Fuel. My name is Darren Yee, and today we're going to be making mini calzones with Chef
Jordan
and Chef Josiah.
Jojo.
So let's put on our aprons and let's get ready to cook. Move on to medium-high heat. We've got a little water in the pan, and we're going to cook the mushrooms up. Now we'll throw in the mushrooms. We diced up some portabello mushrooms. This is about 2 mushrooms. Just keep them moving them around. Oh yeah, they shrink up a little bit. Alright, let's take them off and put them in a bowl. So we got a mild Italian sausage in the casing, so we're just going to squeeze it out right into the pan. Alright, we're going to add a little olive oil. Couple tablespoons, so it doesn't stick. Break up the sausage. Once the sausage is nicely golden brown, you can smell the fennel and Italian seasoning in it. We're going to put it in this bowl. Put a little flour on the cutting board here. Spread it out.
I'll roll it
And then we're gonna take the dough and put it. This is about 1 pound of dough. Alright, once you get the dough out, remove it in the flour. There you go. Make sure it's coated on all sides so it's not as sticky. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it again.
1, 2.
And one more for 4 pieces.
1, 2, and then 3, 4.
And make sure it's coated with some flour, and then roll it into a ball. We got our 4 dough balls. And then here are our ingredients. We have 1 cup of tomato sauce.
And then mushrooms.
Portobello mushrooms.
And then cheese.
We have some sausage. Italian sausage. And some mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese.
Alright, the next step what we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle a little flour on the board. We're going to take one of our dough balls. Put it out, and we're going to press it out into a oval shape.
Here, Joe, I'll do it.
Alright, Jordan's gonna put the sauce on.
Hi.
So you only put it on 1/2.
Yeah.
Yep, put it right here.
And spread it.
Not all the way to the edge, because that's where we're gonna pinch it, and then seal it on the edge. A little sauce.
And then.
A little cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah, put the cheese on there.
That's it. That's
no, we like a lot
perfect.
of cheese.
That's
Okay, that's good.
That's
plenty.
That's plenty.
Okay.
That's plenty.
Then put our sausage on.
Hold on.
Okay, there we go.
Daddy, can I run?
Okay.
Daddy, can I
Let's
have
put
a
our
napkin?
sausage on.
Yeah.
Just lick it off.
Okay.
That's good. Okay, Joe wants some more cheese.
There it looks.
Beautiful, we got one down. to let some of the steam out.
A little bit of tomato.
Alright, we made a special vegetarian mushroom calzone for our mom. We just used mozzarella, marinara sauce, some Italian seasoning, and a bunch of mushrooms. Jordan's folding it over. Make sure it goes all the way to the edge. Scoring the edge as a decorative crust. Once it's preheat, then we will stick in the calzones. Alright, our calzones are ready. The last thing we're gonna do before we put them into the air fryer is we're gonna add a little olive oil. Go ahead, Jordan. Brush on the top. There you go.
Not too much.
This will make it nice and golden brown.
If we don't, then...
Go ahead, keep going. Do all of them. And then I'm going to add a little Italian seasoning on top.
Nice and pretty.
So we got our first two. Gently pull it off. Stick it down in there. There we go. Stick one there. Alright. And stick it in. Alright, we have hit the 8-minute mark. We're gonna pull it out and see how it looks. Ooh. These look good.
Yummy.
See, they're still a little crusty on top.
And still looks
Alright.
yummy.
Let's stick them in for the last 6 minutes. Nice and crispy. Cheese is bubbling out. Alright, let's stick these on a plate. Alright, the calzone's done. It's rested a little bit. We're gonna cut into it to see how it looks inside. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's perfect.
It's delicious.
I'm so excited to eat it.
Sausage, mushroom, cheese, goodness. Alright, Jordan. Are you ready to try our calzone creation?
Yes.
Alright, we got some marinara sauce. Go ahead and dip in it. Take a bite and tell me what you think. We got the sausage and mushroom in here, some marinara. The pizza dough's nice and crispy.
And soft too.
You can taste the fennel, the Italian seasoning. Thanks for watching Yee Fit Fuel. My name's Darren, this is Jordan, and we just made mini calzones in the air fryer. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye!